నిజ నిర్ధారణకు అంతిమ నిర్ణయం డిఎన్ఏ టెస్ట్. ఉన్నది ఉన్నట్లుగా వాస్తవాలను శోధించి వివరించే మన డిఎన్ఏ టీవీ, మన రాష్ట్రం, మన ఛానల్.
Andhra Pradesh stands at a critical inflection point in its urbanization journey. Today we have 30.7% urban population, representing 1.52 crore people. By 2047, we aim to achieve 65% urbanization, positioning Andhra Pradesh as one of the India's most urbanized states. Andhra Pradesh offers investors a rare advantage in the Indian context. Litigation-free land bank assembled through our innovative land pooling scheme through Amaravati. As of today, land available is 30,000 acres. And in addition to that, another 38,000 acres currently in the process. Amaravati is not only a single city, but a comprehensive urban ecosystem comprising 9 specialized theme cities. One is government city, and second is sports city, media city, justice city, electronic city, health city, tourism city, knowledge city, finance city. Smart living designs 5, 10, 15 principles, ensuring 5 minutes to emergency health care through distributed medical facilities, 10 minutes walking distance to parks and recreation areas, and 15 minutes to workplace through mixed use planning that reduces commute times and enhances quality of life. Environment integration. More than 30% open spaces reserved for parks, recreation and ecological buffers. 30 kilometers Krishna riverfront plus integrated sustainable systems including water reuse, green buildings and clean energy infrastructure. Regarding infrastructure, sewerage treatment plants fully operational, 115 kilometers public transport corridors, 1,900 kilometers integrated road network, and citywide stormwater disaster systems, and industrial connectivities, regional integration, aviation infrastructure, technology and innovation leadership, Quantum Valley Initiative, Ratan Tata Innovation Hub, and educational excellency, key educational institutions present including proposals from XLRI, BITS Pilani, and other international national institutions. Health excellency, medical excellence hub, wellness focused environment, Amaravati planning has taken into consideration the learning from successful models like South Korea's Cheonjeon city. We are proactively creating economic drivers rather than laying slowly on infrastructure. In addition to Amaravati capital city, Visakhapatnam, Tirupati, Guntur, and Kakinada, we are developing some special clusters on specific projects based on the availability of the raw material and skill development people. Comprehensive urban infrastructure. The government of Andhra Pradesh has undertaken extensive urban development initiatives focused on creating livable, sustainable cities that attract investment and enhance quality of life. Solid waste management and sewerage treatment, integrated stormwater drainage, disaster, affordable housing, urban livelihood, waste to energy plants, circular economy implementation, waste to energy plant system, and recovery and reuse, comprehensive water treatment and reuse things, environmental sustainability, advanced population control system, minimizing air, water and soil pollution while supporting industrial development, RE, green infrastructure integration of natural systems with built infrastructure enhancing urban resilience and quality of life and resource efficiency, maximizing utility of water, energy and material resources through advanced planning and technology integration. Unique investment advantages. Litigation-free land bank of Amaravati, comprehensive policy frameworks with cross-party political support, ensuring continuity, strategic South Indian market access with cost advantages for established metros, growing skilled workforce, aligned with industry requirements and single window clearances with dedicated investor support, reducing risks and delays. Drivers opportunities ready now, immediate infrastructure, established industrial base in Visakhapatnam, growing commercial activity across different cities of AP in technology, healthcare, manufacturing, logistics, education and sustainable service sectors with a flexible investment scale from startup incubation to large scale industrial development through joint ventures, PPP structures and direct investment models. So I warmly welcome to the dignitaries from South Korea to the 30th CAI Partnership Summit, and I look forward to our discussions on building strong collaborations and investment in Andhra Pradesh. Thank you for giving this opportunity.